today's plenary, and I thank the Right Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, the Speaker, PhD, DCON, for this opportunity. Happy Children's Day to all Nigerian children. Honorable members, the business of the day is a motion on the commemoration of the 2025 Children's Day, standing in the name of the Honorable Kafilat Ogbara. Honorable Ogbara is invited to move the motion.
Your Excellency, Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. My name is Kafilat Ogbara. I represent Koshofe Federal Constituency, and I'm from Lagos State, the Center of Excellence. Mr. Speaker, permit me to seek that we suspend our relevant rules to allow me to take this motion of urgent public importance. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Any seconder? Okay. Okay.
Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I remain Ogel David Agada, member representing Oju of the Federal Constituency, and from Benue State, the food basket of the nation, and equally a proud Igede son. I rise this morning to second the motion that the relevant rules of this honorable house be suspended to enable our sister, my honorable colleagues, to take this matter of urgent public importance. I so move, Mr. Speaker. Thank you. I so second, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Honorable Ogbara, please lead the debate.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. 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 No, I won't. No, I won't. I won't. Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Anyone to second the second leg of the motion? Okay. Honorable.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. My dear colleagues, I stand to second the second leg of the motion as moved by my honorable colleague. Thank you.
Honorable Ogbara, please lead the debate.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, once again. My name is Kafilat Ogbara once again, and I rise to move this motion of urgent public importance in commemoration of International Children's Day.